Turn basic pallets into a cozy outdoor lounge that feels high-end. Layer soft cushions, keep colors minimal, and balance rough wood with textiles. Always sand and stain the wood. Raw pallets can ruin the look instantly. A pallet coffee table becomes the focal point when styled right. Layer a tray, candles, and a small plant for depth. Keep it clean. Too much decor feels messy. Adding hidden wheels makes it functional without losing style. A pallet bar turns your backyard into a social hub. Stack pallets for a counter, add shelves, and use warm lighting for ambience. Keep proportions clean so it doesn't feel bulky. It's simple, but instantly makes the space more usable. A vertical pallet garden turns even a tiny balcony into a lush green wall. Mix herbs and trailing plants, but don't overcrowd. Add small decor accents for balance. It instantly makes the space feel taller and more alive. A pallet daybed or swing creates a relaxing outdoor escape. Add thick cushions and soft fabrics for comfort. Focus on strong support if suspended. The gentle movement and layered textures make the space feel calm and luxurious. A pallet fence adds privacy while upgrading your outdoor look. Instead of basic barriers, style it with plants, lights, or decor. Keep spacing balanced. Too dense feels heavy. It instantly makes your space feel more finished. Raised pallet garden beds make growing plants easier and cleaner. They organize your space while adding structure to your backyard. Use neat sections for herbs or flowers, but avoid overcrowding. Clean lines always look more premium.